you should use the personal emails of customers instead of this info email. It should have the name of a specific person. This tool is effective because it not only searches this website, but also scours the internet for all data related to this domain. If someone posts or leaks the contract, it will catch and retrieve this contract. Hello, welcome back to the Viso Napcow channel, a channel dedicated to sharing knowledge about the field of import numbers. In the previous video, Vi shared 7 ways to find import number customers. Once you have the customer's name, what is the next step? The next step is to find a way to contact the customer. To contact the customer, you need to have the customer's contact. There are 2 main methods I often use. Contacting customers by phone, where you find the customer's phone number and call them, and the second is contacting them via email. Typically, Vietnamese import-export businesses prefer to contact via email. Why is that? Because it's cheap and doesn't cost much for you. Today, I will share with you the method to find the emails of many import-export businesses, partners, or your customers on the internet. The first method is very simple. You can go to the company's website by typing the company's name into Google. Then go to their website and find the contact or contract section to get the email. I think this method is very simple and everyone can do it. And I will share the 2 method, which is if in the contact section, when you click on it, there is only a form to fill out and no email of the customer or partner. Then you can completely use a website called Email Hunter. Now let's explore together how to use Email Hunter effectively to find customer emails. Okay. After opening the web browser, you type in the link below, which is vi.suat.nhap.com. v.suat.nhap.com. You can click on the link that Vi will provide in the comments below. This way, you can access it directly, and it will be faster. Then, this website appears to allow you to register for a free account for this service. You can choose to set up with Google or enter your email. To keep it simple, Vi will set up with Google for quickness. It's the easiest way. You will select an account. Then, in the next step, you enter your work email here, which you can fill in. Vi. There are 2 types of emails, work email, and you keep this email. Then, for the first name, you enter your name, and for the last name, you enter your surname. For the password, choose any password, but it's recommended to use a strong password. Then, create the account. They notify that, unfortunately, you cannot use this email address, but you must use a professional email, meaning the company's email. So instead, you need to correct the email. If you work for a company, the email needs to have the company's domain. Then Vi can correct it like this. Vi uses the email of the company Vi is currently working for. As long as the email domain is not Gmail or Hotmail, but rather the name of a company website, that's fine. Then you continue. You fill in the password. Then create. Okay, once you enter this interface, it will have its 3 main tasks. Search for emails by domain. This HiFinder is to find the exact email of that person. You just need to enter the person's name and the company's domain, and it will appear. And the third is this verifier, which is to assess or verify whether this email is correct, still active, or if the email is dead. Because there are some emails that they post on the website, if left for a long time, or the person or employee has left, it will no longer exist. Alright, let's go back to the previous day. I will search for customers. For example, I will type in frozen. Okay, it's already available here. Let's say dragon fruit sales in Australia. Alright, okay. When you type this phrase to find the customer's name, it's sales, importer, dragon fruit is our product. Everyone. Vi. In Australia, for example, it will show a series of companies like this. Alright. Okay. So then we will choose this company. It's very beautiful. Their website is very beautiful. They have a dragon fruit cut. The red dragon fruit is cut. Then click on contract here. When you click on contract, you can completely take the phone here. If you can take a landline phone to call the customer, or there is an info email here. Usually, this info email is not available. It's very effective. If you send an email to find customers, then you should use the personal emails of customers instead of this info email. It should have the name of a specific person, which will be called private. It targets the customer more accurately compared to just sending to the info email, because the info email is a general inbox and receives a lot of emails. So when you send an email here, the recipient sometimes doesn't check it at all. Then you copy this domain, and paste it here. Then you click search. When you click like that, it shows this. There is a Vi, Berryman Camille here. Under the info email, it still appears here. This tool is effective because it not only searches this website, but also scours the internet for all data related to this domain. If someone posts or leaks the contract, it will catch and retrieve this contract. And contacting these emails is very effective. Instead of contacting the info email, you can still contact the info email, but the response rate is very low. Then you save and leak here. Here, it also helps you manage the lists you find here. That's it. It records the status of the list as well. Never contract, meaning it has never been contacted before. So you can completely contact this COVID, not knowing if the contact is male or female, then send an email to them. Is that okay? Here, Vi is using the free version. With the free version, you only get 25 searches per month, and the email verification part allows for 50 emails per month. So if you use this free account, if you find it okay, you can completely upgrade. There are different pricing tiers here. Upgrading, in Vi's opinion, might be a bit wasteful for personal use, but if it's for a company, you can definitely invest in the starter level to find more emails for your company and gain more contract catch hang for your company. Okay? It's just that simple. Vi thinks that anyone can do this, and it's very easy. With the starter plan, you get 500 searches compared to 25 searches with the free account. Monthly verification gives you 1,000 verifications as well. Okay, that's it. In case you don't need to use it as an individual, you can create accounts to use 25 searches, and after completing those 25, you can log out and create a new account to continue using it. However, the limitation now is that in the past, you could use external emails like Gmail or Hotmail, but now it only allows the use of business emails. If you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to receive updates on Vi's latest shared videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch my channel. Thank you and goodbye.